Okay, so yesterday I talked about the vertex, and if y'all looked, you know I'm right. So let's get into it, right? Depending on which house your vertex is, it determines what kind of people you attract in relationships. And I don't mean relationships like boyfriend and girlfriend or husband and wife. It could be, but these are more like soul contracts. These are people who change your life, who save your life, who completely fuck up the trajectory of your life. These are people who you're meant to encounter for your growth, and a lot of times growth is not fun. So it could be something like, again, someone dying, someone coming in, someone saving your life. But the vertex is a point that's calculated and is fate. And whatever degree and house you have your vertex in, directly in the opposite in the same degree, you will have your anti-vertex. So big thing here, the vertex, it's only going to be in the 5th, 6th, 7th, or 8th house, meaning the right side of the chart. Some rare ones, which I happen to be one of those, would be the 9th house and the 4th house. So if you pay attention to that, these are the houses where you are in relationship with other people, because the vertex is about other people. The anti-vertex is about you. So literally the opposite, but just so you're aware, it's going to be just one of these houses, right? So depending on which house you have your vertex, it tells me the kind of encounters you're going to have and what kind of partner you're going to attract as well. So, oh my God, I feel like I should do a master class on this because it's literally so good, y'all. So just to like define the vertex, it's a fated point, event, moment, or person that basically through no will of your own, you literally have to do nothing for this to happen. When divine timing hits, meaning your vertex connects, that's when that thing takes place. Now, depending on you meeting a person and their vertex activating you, or who they are activating that point, or you walking into something that's like a big destined event. And I'm thinking of some of mine, like signing my divorce papers around Scorpio season, because I have my vertex in Scorpio in the 4th house. And again, my home life was changing, signing my papers, but it was around the same season where my vertex would have been activated. And when I actually looked at the transits, my vertex was like conjunct my fucking Venus at the time. Another big one that happened for me was my dad had a heart attack and he literally died in my car. He's okay, but I literally witnessed him die and then they brought him back to life. All of that was a vertex activation. And I don't want to scare you that it's all bad. Sometimes vertex are good things, like people that you're meant to meet, soulmates, someone saving your life, someone giving you exactly what you needed. And it feels like the divine, whatever you believe in, right, stepped in, like God, the source, universe, a person, something outside of your control literally like saved your life or changed the trajectory of your life, or someone came in that made you look at life differently. All of this applies as well. So again, I encourage you to pull up your birth chart, look at where your vertex is, what's the sign, look at that season and the anti-vertex, the opposite season. So for me is Scorpio and Taurus, and really, really dig deep. And once you have that list, then I want you to go to the next part where I'm going to go into the houses and how this will show up for you. Because if I put it all in one place, I'm not going to have enough time.